I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when...
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I got out of bed probably like 25 minutes ago. It is currently 11:04 a.m. and I just washed my face, brushed my teeth, and now I'm going to just ice roll my face a little bit while I talk to you guys about the day. So today is going to be a little self-care Sunday vlog. I need to desperately do my laundry and just get my life back on track, honestly, before the week starts again. I have a whole list of stuff on my phone that I want to do, just like cleaning, organizing, getting stuff done. Having like chill Sundays are probably my favorite days of the week. I used to hate Sundays when I was younger, but now I love Sundays. They're just like so relaxing, and I love to just get everything organized. So yeah, I'm gonna finish ice rolling my face. I'm probably just gonna change, get ready, and then start my day. So if you guys aren't already, definitely be sure to subscribe, like, and comment any video you want to see me film. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the video.
The sun come out, might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick a dull like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like...
So I'm on my way to pick up my order from Panera. I'm pretty sure I got Panera in the last video too, but I just love Panera, especially when it's like gross outside. Soups, their mac and cheese, chef's kiss. So yeah, I'm just headed there now. I am going to pick up my order, and I will see you guys in a little bit.
Who who you, yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might've caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know.
Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I just finished cleaning most of my room and doing some computer work, but now I'm going to hop in the shower and take the ultimate everything shower. I'm going to show you guys what I use in the shower, my favorite products, and obviously I'll link everything just in case you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the rest of my laundry to dry, and I will see you when I am out of the shower and ready to tan.
What got me down? June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
I want to show you guys what I've been using in my hair recently. So I've been trying out the new Chi products. As you saw, I use the shampoo and conditioner in the shower. I'm going to go in with their multitasking hair perfector and then a little bit of the K18 leave-in hair mask. So what I'll do is take the hair protector and just spray it on my damp hair from root to tip right out of the shower. And then take a little bit of the K18 hair mask and just focus this on the mid to ends of my hair. And then I'll usually take like a paddle brush or the wet brush and just brush my hair out. Since I'm gonna put tan on and I can't have my wet hair lean against the tan, I am going to just put my hair up in a little clip. So you guys always know I use the extra dark self-tanning mousse from Saint Tropez. This is my absolute favorite tan that I've ever used. It gives you like an olive finish instead of an orange finish. And then I'm just gonna go in with the Method Body Lotion. This is just for any areas like my knees, my elbows, my ankles that I don't want the tan to stick. And then I'm gonna let that sit in for like 30 minutes before I tan, and I will come back to you. Okay, so I just finished one coat of self-tan. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can kind of see from my neck, my body, and my face. I don't put the body mousse on my face. I'm going to show you guys what I do on my face later. But now I'm just going to take the rest of what's on my little mitt. I don't have any more latex gloves. That's what I really like to tan with, and it absorbs less of the product. But I didn't have any more, so we're just going to use the glove today. And then I'm going to just put on another coat of self-tan in 30 minutes from now when this one dries. And then wait for that to develop and wash it off, and then we should be good to go with our little at-home tan.
The sun come out, might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah.
Alright, I'm out of the shower. I just washed off the second layer of self-tan, and I want to show you guys what I do for my skincare on my face when I'm tanning, because it's a little bit different than what I normally do. I always start with a toner, so this one is the Clinique 2-step toner. It really doesn't matter what toner you use, honestly, whatever you have or whatever you like. You could even use micellar water, but I like using a toner right after the shower because my face is pretty much already clean. Then take your favorite moisturizer. I'm going to use this one from Pharmacy. I've been using this one a lot recently. I really like it. And then I'm going to take the Tan Luxe, the face drops, and drop 2 drops onto my face to mix in with the cream. And I'm just rubbing this in everywhere, avoiding my eyes. Then if I want an extra tan, I will take the Bali Body Gradual Tan face cream, and I will put that on top of the tan drops and the cream. And you want to make sure you wipe your hands after, because this will stain your hands in the morning, and you don't want that, especially because I have white nails right now, and I don't want them to be tanned. And after that, I'll just use a lip balm like normal, and that's pretty much it for face tan. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do for tanning my face. This works out a lot better for me because I feel like when I put the mousse on my face, I'm more likely to break out. This, I really don't get any breakouts from using these two products. Obviously, everyone's skin is different, but I really recommend the Tan Luxe drops. I've been using those way longer than I have been using the Bali Body stuff. So besides writing in my planner for the week, like everything that I have to do for school and for work, I have this little... And on Sundays, I like to write like a little template for the whole entire week of what I have to do and what I want to get done and just like the major events for the day. So I'm going to do that right now.
You, yeah, it's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
Okay, so I just wrote a couple of things down, the things that like don't really change every week that are scheduled every single week. And I just like to have that done on Sundays, so when I wake up on Monday morning, it's already ready for me, it's all laid out, and I know what I have to do for the week. But I'm starting to get hungry again, so I think I'm gonna go downstairs and grab a snack. And then probably come up here and then watch some Netflix.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while
I'm gonna end today's video here. I am just gonna go to bed and probably edit this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you liked it, and comment video ideas you have down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the